The 24th batch of the Chinese medical team in Sierra Leone has provided care for more than 20,000 local patients during its one-year mission. The team, which consists of 21 top-notch Chinese medical specialists from central China's Hunan province, is scheduled to wrap up its mission in March after a replacement arrives.
在这1年的时间里，我们还是克服了各种困难，做了大量的医疗诊疗工作。这个门急诊接诊了有2.2万人次，住院患者接近1500人次，接诊华人有1200人次，做了400多台手术。在这个过程中呢，我们也参与了，开展了10多次这个义诊健康宣教活动，逐级编辑了塞拉利亚当地的社区啊，这个学校啊、矿区啊，以及这孤儿院啊等等啊。那么汇集了当地的民众，达到了1000多个人次。
They have confidence in them, and they feel good when they come. Because if I have difficult cases, I call them. We work together. At the end, we have success. So it's good because I've learned so much from them.
China dispatched its first medical team to Sierra Leone in 1973 and has since sent a total of 24 teams, contributing to improving the health sector in the West African country.